In this video, we are going to start with a clean Apteva workspace, install an open-source CRM from the marketplace, add a real contact and sales opportunity, and then ask a GPT 5.6 agent to work with that same CRM data. Everything happens in the browser. By the end, we will have gone from an empty project to a working sales workflow that both a person and an agent can use. We begin in the apps area. This workspace has no business application installed yet, so instead of adapting our process to a fixed suite, we can add exactly what the team needs. The marketplace contains apps that run as part of Apteva, and for this example, we are looking for a CRM. Searching for CRM brings up the first-party open-source app, with its description, version, and the capabilities it adds to the workspace. This is not a link to a separate SaaS product. The CRM becomes a native part of the project. Because Apteva and the app are open source, a team can inspect the implementation, adapt it, or build another app against the same platform contracts. The marketplace still gives us a familiar install experience, while Apteva handles the project scope, permissions, app lifecycle, user interface, and agent tools in one place. Before installation, Apteva shows what the app can access and confirms where it will run. We are installing this CRM for the current project, so other workspaces remain unchanged. There is no separate CRM account to create and no integration wizard just to connect the customer data back to our agents. We confirm the install, and Apteva builds and starts the app locally. The progress on screen is the real installation process. Once it is ready, the CRM appears in the installed apps list with its running status. Opening it adds the full CRM interface directly to Apteva. This is the human side of the app. Contacts, activities, opportunities, lists, and the day-to-day views a team needs. Behind that interface, the same app also exposes structured tools to agents under the same project boundaries and permissions. Let us add the first contact. Maya Chen is a fictional lead at Northstar Labs. We enter her business details and save the record. The contact page now gives the team one working view of Maya, including communication details, activity history, tags, and related opportunities. This is ordinary CRM work, but the data already lives in the same project as the agents that will use it. There is no second copy to synchronize and no screen scraping required later. Next, we add an opportunity for Maya. The project is an AI workflow rollout, attached to a growth retainer offer and owned by Northstar Studio. We record the source and set the value to $24,000. After saving, the opportunity appears directly on Maya's record with its stage, owner, offer, and value. At this point, the CRM is already useful to a person, but the more interesting part is what happens next. We move to the Conversations app and open a dedicated pipeline review with the Northstar sales agent. This agent is running on Codex GPT 5.6 and has the CRM attached as a real tool. We ask it to review the CRM, identify which opportunity deserves attention, and draft a short follow-up without sending anything. The instruction is deliberately practical. Use the current business data, make a recommendation, and keep the human in control of the final message. The agent acknowledges the request, searches the CRM, reads the opportunity and its recent activity, and returns the result inside the conversation. It correctly prioritizes Maya Chen at Northstar Labs, identifies the $24,000 AI workflow rollout, and explains why it deserves attention now. It also drafts a concise follow-up based on the discovery call and Maya's request to review the proposal by Friday. Nothing is sent automatically. That is the full loop. We installed an open-source business app, used it through a normal interface, and then gave an AI agent structured access to the exact same data. Apteva provides the runtime, permissions, projects, app system, conversations, and agent tooling, while the CRM provides the domain model and workflow. If you want to explore Apteva, inspect the CRM source, or try the setup shown in this video, check the links in the description.